Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin was pumping today, which is beautiful, and last night, and BNB also pumping. Stocks, if you bought stocks with me, Qualcomm, Tesla, Meta, TSM, Google also pumping, which is beautiful. We made some good gains in the stock market yesterday as well. Hit the subscribe button down there, join 78,000 people, smash up thumbs up button on every video. If you hit that thumbs up button, the subscribe, it pushes the algorithm. We can grow our community. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to and here, so this is, you're watching Bitcoin move for the last few days, and you can see that we had some bottoming, double bottom here at 15,600 back in November, and then sideways moving. It's been climbing up this trend line, and now we're building pressure in this this symmetrical triangle, and you can see that Bitcoin actually broke through this symmetrical triangle last night. Usually it's more of an ascending triangle. Usually they build pressure, and then break out towards the upside to the base of the triangle. So that would be taking us to around 17,800 if we get that breakout. Now you can see here, yesterday it broke out and then it's come back in. It broke out fully and then went back in. It didn't close a 4-hourly candle outside. You can see here, perfectly got rejected. That's how, and this white line, if you've been following my videos, has been here for a while. Look how exact that it got held there. Incredible, right? Like you can see that this candle touched it, came back down, this 4-hourly. This candle broke through, went all the way to 17,000, came back down and didn't close the 4-hourly. This candle also spiked out and closed there. You can see how well, then this candle dropped down. This, you're looking at Japanese candles, dropped down and then bounced back and got resisted there. Incredible. TA is incredible. And if you're not believing that you can predict the movements of stocks and cryptos, then this is proof. That white line, if you've been following my videos, you could have drawn it there, going back to 4th of January. We moved it. If you do it from the second touch that was back here in December 26th, then you can see that, then we could actually say that Bitcoin has broken out and it's holding above it right now. Also, that descending triangle broke out towards the upside, this little one here. If we go closer, on the 4-hourly, Bitcoin is overbought, turning to head down, but I think it's going to have another pump. On the hourly, we're oversold right now. So the stochastic down the bottom is very oversold. You can also see that it's bull flagging here. It's like bullish pennant. This is a bullish pennant. This usually can break out to the upside to the base of the pole, the distance of the pole. So if that breaks out to the upside, we'll get a movement for Bitcoin from here towards 17,100. So Bitcoin didn't actually activate because I had a trade set down here that if Bitcoin pulled back to 16,500, but it didn't activate. Now we're sitting right above this triangle. So the BNB trade activated and went into profits, but this Bitcoin trade didn't activate. So with this bull flag, with this pullback, and we're on a strong support here. You can see here, support line, support line, support line, support line, support line. We're on a very strong support. So it actually go long here on Bitcoin. I will be going long here on Bitcoin. From this support, I would open the trade here at 16,890. Very tight stop loss in case it pulls back. And then the take profit at the top of this resistance. And this resistance, if we zoom out, this white line, this bigger resistance goes back, if we look on the daily, that goes back all the way, this triangle here, this one. This is a big descending triangle. That goes back all the way from the big drop back in May, the FTX drop. This is a descending triangle. I think that was lunar drop, and this was the FTX drop. And what's that creating? That's a descending triangle. They build pressure, and this is on the longer term, and usually break out to the upside. So Bitcoin could have, if we break out here, Bitcoin could have a huge run to 25K. But again, first we need to have this little movement, and then that bigger movement. So the trade that I'll take on Bitcoin is this one here, target 18,000, that resistance line. And that's an awesome risk to reward ratio trade. It's 20 times risk to reward ratio trade. So I'm risking $62 to make $1,249. Risking $62 where that stop loss is to make $1,249 without leverage. With 10x leverage, that would be $12,490. And with this tight stop loss, I'll do a 20x leverage trade. So that will make us around $24,000 of profits, $25,000. And I'm going to open this trade right now. I'm going to set this trade. So the trade will open on, I'm going to open it on Bybit. It will open at 16,890, stop loss at 16,800, and take profit at 18,139. So I'm going to set this trade, 16,890. If you want to trade like you're going to see me do, underneath this video, in the description down below of the video or the pinned comment, you can sign up to Bybit. This link down here, partner.bybit.com, etc. You can get 30,000 US dollars worth of bonuses when you sign up using that link in the description or the pinned comment. Go down below, sign up to Bybit, $30,000 worth of bonuses, and that's for a limited time only. So that bonus won't be there for long. So you have to go down in the description, sign up to Bybit using that link. You can get up to $30,000 of bonuses when you meet all the requirements. It's real $30,000, which is incredible, but it's for trading. You have to meet the requirements. So in the description, sign up to Bybit, and that's where I'll open the trade. So now I'm going into Bybit. So again, the trade will open at 16,890. So the previous trade on Bitcoin didn't open because Bitcoin didn't pull back. My BNB trade is up from yesterday, $344 in the profits, 34%. I shared that trade in the Telegram, which is beautiful. So I'm going to set a trade now for Bitcoin. 20x leverage trade, Bitcoin USDT. I'm going to open at 16,890. I think it was, I said 16,890 and stop loss 16,800. So 16,890, I'm going to do a $1,000 trade with 20x leverage, 20x isolated leverage. Take profit is going to be at 18,000. Let's do it round out, 18,000, and the stop loss is at 16,800. So I'm risking $106 to make $1,314. Risking $106 to make $1,314. Confirm. Open long, and I'm setting that trade. I'll also share it in the Telegram. So it's a $999 trade with 20x leverage. It will become a $19,500 trade, and that 1.1 Bitcoin. Confirm, and that trade is now set, which is beautiful. Now let's look at BNB, because that trade from yesterday on BNB, I posted it in the Telegram. Let's see if I've got many people took those trades and made huge gains, which is beautiful. I'll show you. So this was yesterday when I posted the trade for BNB. This student made 1,000% on Solana. There was many comments. Let's see. Oh, I didn't save those comments. But many people in the Telegram took the trades, which is beautiful. James, you fucking rock, took profit. There was many people that took profits from those trades in the Telegram, which is beautiful. So let's look at BNB. And then the total market cap, BNB 260. BNB broke out of that big symmetrical triangle to the upside as predicted. If you followed that trade, I actually took that trade from exactly down here in one of the trades on BNB, and we made $950 of profits. And then I took the trade yesterday from here, and I posted in the Telegram last night, and now we're up $350 in profits on just that trade. We took the trade exactly from the bottom, perfectly, from 255, so that's epic. It's very oversold right now. It's pulling back to a strong support. You can see here, this was like a double top, and now it's using that double top as support. So if you haven't taken that a trade on BNB, I would actually go long again on BNB from here. I would open a long on BNB because this is a strong support, and I think will break out further if Bitcoin is going to break out. I'll do a tight stop loss like this, and the take profit, it's a continuation pattern. The next big resistance is at 200, and let's see where the big resistance is. 267. So if you haven't taken a trade on BNB, I would open the trade where we are. Actually, I would open it here. And the take profit at the strong resistance, 267, 11 risk to reward ratio trade, 3.3% trade with no leverage. With 10x leverage, will be 33% profits. With 20x leverage, will be 66% profits. So that's the trade that I would take on BNB, which I'll also share in the free Telegram. You can join that free Telegram. The link to the Telegram is also in the description down below here. You can find the Telegram link in the description down below. Free Telegram trade alerts. If you sign up to that link, you can join the free Telegram group. And again, I'm doing these trades on Bybit. So that's the trade that I would set on BNB over on Bybit. I'm already in a trade active. You can see I'm already, but that's the trade that I would take. So we'll open the trade at 259. Stop loss will be at 258, and take profit will be at 267, which is a 33% trade with 10x leverage, 66% profit with 20x leverage, which is beautiful. That's the trade I'll take on BNB, and I'll do Ethereum in the next video as well. So again, down below, and you can also buy MCRT on Bybit. MCRT is available on Bybit as well, and I made a post today. So this is some of the MCRT team. You can see here, this is our 3D artist. Oleg is our voiceover artist. Dory is our graphic designer. Roman is our AI and executive producer, AI engineer. Nikita, QA engineer. Viet is our front-end developer. These are all full-time team for MAGICCRAFT. Dean is our smart contract developer. We've got amazing team, and there's actually 150 people working on MCRT. MCRT team main focus for January, full-time people, is the Web3 DApp system integrated at beta.magiccraft.io. You can already play MAGICCRAFT. You can already verse people for money on MAGICCRAFT and play them. You can be winning. People are playing on their iOS, iPhone, from all over the world. People are playing, which is epic, and you can be winning MCRT already. People playing all over the world. Can't find a better way to spend a cold Christmas day than indoors with MAGICCRAFT on PC. You can play on PC, iOS, and Android already, and people all over the world are playing MAGICCRAFT for MCRT. So we've already got the first real play to earn game, and on the 20th of January the Web3 DApp system will be integrated and will be the first real play to earn game with Web3 system, with an actual playable multiplayer game that's cross-platform on PC, Android, and iOS. So make sure you follow what's happening on MCRT. You can get it on Bybit as well. NFT character integration will also be happening for the Archer, Warrior, and Mage. And the main thing is this Web3 DApp that the team has been working on. That's the full Web3 integration. Yesterday on stocks, we made $5,000 on trades, which is beautiful. This is the Archer. That's an NFT that will be integrated into the game or very soon, which is epic. And you can get MCRT over on Bybit as well. I'm going to buy 1,000 because MCRT is quite undervalued. I've got $145,000 in this account on Bybit. Don't keep much on your exchange. I've got around 7.8 million MCRT. I'm going to buy $1,000 worth of MCRT right now. And again, this is not financial advice, everyone. You have to do your own due diligence. This is what I'm doing. So $1,000 gets you 272,000 MCRT. Confirmed that order is going through. I'm buying MCRT right now, and this is the game. You can actually play it on PC, Android, and iOS. And again, you have to do your own due diligence, everyone. This is not financial advice. This is what I'm doing with my money. I'm the founder of MCRT. And yes, do your own due diligence, but learn from me. I've been trading for 21 years. Thank you for watching, and congratulations anyone that took that BNB trade. It's $370 in profit since last night, but still, that's quite a lot. $300 a day makes the 9-to-5 job go away. And if you've been following my trades, we made, I think, like $3,000 or $4,000 this week on trades. In stocks, we made around $15,000 this week. So amazing gains this week. Congratulations, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, join us in the Telegram. Love you all. Have an amazing Christmas, and I'll see you and I'll see you all again tomorrow.